Hello everyone. Welcome to Guidify. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the microphone not working in CS2. Let's get started. Go to Windows Search. Search Microphone Privacy Settings. Open it. Make sure microphone access is turned on. Also make sure Let Desktop Apps Access Your Microphone is turned on. Now go to Windows Search. Search Sound Settings. Open it. Under Input, select the microphone you want to use. Speak into your microphone. Make sure the input volume is high enough. Now open Steam. Click Steam. Then click Settings. Open the Voice tab. Select the microphone you want to use. Click Start Microphone Test. Speak into your microphone. If Steam detects your voice, click Stop Microphone Test. Close the settings window. Now restart Steam. Then launch CS2 again. If your microphone still doesn't work, go to your Steam library. Right-click Counter-Strike 2. Click Properties. Open Installed Files. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for the scan to finish. Then launch CS2 again. If the problem continues, restart your computer. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions or want a guide on another CS2 problem, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.